So our first question today is related to authentic language, English language, and how important it is to include authentic or natural English into our speaking strategies. So from my point of view, it is extremely important that whatever speaking strategies we work on and develop with our students, they are peppered with plenty of authentic and natural English. Because not only will this help the flow and the rhythm and the natural sound of the person's communicative language skills, it will also get the student lots of credit if they are to take a recognized English language exam. So a difficult question is a question that somebody struggles to answer in the moment, okay? This could be for a range of different reasons. It could be because they have not understood the language. It could be because they have understood the language, but they need some time to come up with their ideas, to decide on the content, or really just to access their best language to put that on display in their answer. Or it could be a question that somebody asks and a person has an answer, but it's not exactly the answer. So they would require some kind of pivoting strategy, okay? So this would also be an example of how to manage a difficult question being any question that somebody struggles to answer in the moment.